A very good morning to this glorious day. Freedom in the mind, faith in the words, pride in our hearts, memories in our soul. On this occasion of great pride and honor, I take immense pleasure to wish you all a very happy 75th Independence Day. But that doesn't mean we are 75 years old, but it clearly means that we've traveled 75 years long as an independent nation. Today, we've all gathered here virtually to celebrate the 75th Independence Day of our beloved country. So I, Madhumita, from the core of my heart, welcome you all to today's function on behalf of the entire school family. My love for my nation is worthiness. My love for my people is endless. My desire for my country is happiness. Once again, Happy Independence Day. To begin this day orderly, let us first invoke the presence of Almighty. So now, may I request you all to rise to your feet for the praise song, followed by the invocation to Tamil Thai.
நீராறும் கடலுடுத்த நிலமடந்த கெழிலொழுகும் சீராறும் வதனமென திகழ்பரத கண்டமிழில் தெக்கணமும் அதிசிறந்த திராவிடனல் திருநாடும் தக்க சிறு பிறை முதலும் தரித்தனரும் திலகமுமே அத்திலக வாசனை போல் அனைத்துலகும் இன்பமுற எத்திசையும் புகழ் மணக்க இருந்த பெரும் தமிழனங்கே தமிழனங்கே உன் சீரிழமை திறம் வியந்து செயல் மறந்து வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே.
In a country like India, irrespective of culture, civilization, caste, creed and religion, the most important binding factor is our national flag. The tricolor symbolizes courage, truth and prosperity. So now we will have a traditional auspicious flag hoisting ceremony as a tribute to our motherland. May all the human beings live in harmony with nature and other forms of life. May the truth prevail. May the darkness of ignorance be swept away by the dawn of self-realization.
தாயின் மணிக்கொடி பாரீர் தாயின் மணிக்கொடி பாரீர் அதை தாழ்ந்து பணிந்து புகழ்ந்திடவாரீர் தாயின் மணிக்கொடி பாரீர் அதை தாழ்ந்து பணிந்து புகழ்ந்திடவாரீர் தாயின் மணிக்கொடி பாரீர் ஓங்கி வளர்ந்ததோர் கம்பம் அதன் உச்சியின் மேல் வந்தே மாதரம் என்று பாங்கின் எழுதி திகழும் செய்ய பட்டொளி வீசி பறந்தது பாரீர் தாயின் மணிக்கொடி பாரீர் கம்பத்தின் கீழ் நிற்றல் காணீர் எங்கும் காணரும் வீரர் பெருந்திரள் கூட்டம் நம்பற்குரிய வீரர் தங்கள் நல்லுயிர் ஈந்தும் கொடியினை காப்பர் தாயின் மணிக்கொடி பாரீர் அதை தாழ்ந்து பணிந்து புகழ்ந்திடவாரீர் தாயின் மணிக்கொடி பாரீர்.
Recalling our past, Jawaharlal Nehru once said, "Freedom and power bring responsibility." On this day, our first thought goes to the architect of this freedom, the father of our nation, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, who embodied the old spirit of India held aloft the torch of freedom and lighted up the darkness that surrounded us. So now, I take immense pleasure in requesting Pooja Verma of 10th E to deliver the Independence Day speech.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. I am M. Pooja Verma of 10th E. This day, the 75th Independence Day, the unforgettable day in Indian history, the most auspicious day for the people living in India because India became an independent nation after a long phase of struggles and sacrifices made by our great Indian leaders and freedom fighters. The entire nation celebrates this day with full spirit of patriotism. We might have read in many books about how people had struggled and suffered under the British rule, but they were just a small part of a big story which is truly incomparable. Gaining independence from the Britishers was not just an easy job, it was a long battle. The feeling of patriotism which is hidden in us pours out when we hear our national anthem and when we see our great Indian flag being hoisted. As Gandhiji said, the future depends on what you do today. Being the youth of our nation, we are the future. Our nation is the best in many fields. We have a good agricultural system and we have self-sufficient resources. One of the main motives to celebrate the Independence Day is to bring awareness in the young generation about how this land had become a better place to live and a safer place. Let us continue building a great nation and be proud of. Happy Independence Day, Jai Hind.
Thank you, Ms. Pooja Verma. The Centennial clearly smells with liberty, kindness, and humanity, isn't it? I could sense that everyone is eager to sink into the depth of patriotic music and dance that always gets us emotional. Well, here we are. I call upon our dance crew to give a lovely dance performance.
नमो भारताम्बे नमो
नमो नमो भारताम्बे सारस्वत शरीरिणी नमोस्तु जगतां वन्द्ये ब्रह्म विद्या प्रकाशिनी नमो नमो भारताम्बे हिमालय किरीटिनी गङ्गाद्या सरित सर्वस्तन्यं ते विश्वपावनी नमो 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 भारताम्बे नमो नमो भारताम्बे नमो नमो भारताम्बे सारस्वत शरीरिणी नमोस्तु जगतां वन्द्ये ब्रह्म विद्या प्रकाशिनी नमो नमो भारताम्बे हिमालय किरीटिनी गङ्गाद्या सरित सर्वस्तन्यं ते विश्वपावनि नमो नमो भारताम्बे नमो नमो भारताम्बे नमो नमो नमो
नमो नमो भारताम्बे बदरी षण्डमण्डिते तीर्थीकुर्वन्ति लोकांस्ते तीर्थभूता मुनीश्वरा नमो नमो भारताम्बे विन्ध्यतुङ्गस्तनायिते समुद्रवसने देवी सह्यमाला विराजिते
भारताम्बे नमो नमो भारताम्बे
That was indeed an awesome performance, have captivated, a blend of cosmic tune and divine music. We all know that gratitude is the mother of all virtues. To extend our gratitude to everyone who made this program a grand success, even in this COVID-19 pandemic, I request Ms. Srinidhi of 11D to propose the vote of thanks.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Dear teachers and parents, a very good morning to all. It gives me immense pleasure for being part of this memorable occasion and deem it a great honor and privilege to propose the vote of thanks. Special thanks to the school management for arranging this event in spite of this unfortunate pandemic situation. The effort of bringing us all together is highly appreciated. I'd like to thank our beloved principal, worthy teachers, students, parents, participants, and last but not the least, our beloved audience for making this function a great success. I once again thank one and all present here. Jai Hind.
Once again, on behalf of our respected principal and benevolent teachers, we thank all the students and respected parents and everybody else for joining us today and giving us a chance to be grateful to you. On the eve of August 14, 1947, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru rose to make a maiden speech in New Delhi. When the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom. Now, India is the largest democratic country in the whole world. Our country's strength is to find unity in diversity. Remembering the sacrifices made by our freedom fighters in rescuing our motherland from the clutches of British Raj, let's realize our duties and responsibilities and act accordingly instead of taking freedom for granted. Concluding, I quote the lines, freedom should not be something you have to deserve, it's something you have naturally, something no one can take away from you. Let's celebrate freedom. Happy Independence Day. Jai Hind. Independence Day celebration is undoubtedly incomplete without a national anthem. So come on, let's raise our voices in unison to sing our national anthem, though it's a virtual platform.
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता